Hi, I'm Rick Heiser, Vice President of Engineering with C2DX Incorporated. When we were looking for a manufacturer, we actually visited, audited, quoted with 3 or 4 different potential contract manufacturers. And we had several different criteria that came into play. One of them was quality. Keystone is ISO 13485 certified. They had been audited previously by the FDA with good results, so we felt good about their quality systems. We felt like it fit our needs quite well. We felt like they communicated well, they were responsive, they manufacture small quantity volumes, right up to fairly large volume disposable products. And they also range from clean room manufacturing to electromechanical assembly. And so that was going to allow us to put all of our key products with one contract manufacturer. So our device is the Stick Pressure Monitor System. It includes a durable monitor, which is a pressure monitor, and then a few different part numbers of disposable products. Our device measures pressure inside the compartment. And in certain situations, if the pressure gets too high, it leads to nerve damage, muscle damage, and very serious complications. This product has over 30 years of clinical evidence. It's considered the gold standard. It's the best tool to use in conjunction with clinical evaluation to make a diagnosis. Compartment syndrome is one of the most litigated healthcare issues there is. So it is the best tool to aid in diagnosis, and it's the smartest thing to do for their clinical practice.